To screen record on Xiaomi 17T Pro, well, you will have to start by opening Quick Settings. Now, click on the edit. Right now, you have to search for a screen recorder, tap on it, and now click here. As you can see, the screen recorder is available. You will have to enable permissions, and before you start recording, you can also check some settings, for example, for quality, resolution, or system sound. So if you want to record your own voice, you should actually enable the microphone, or for example, both of them. And now you can just click here to start recording when the recording is on the way. And when you open the notifications, you can see this notification over here. When you tap on it, you will be redirected to the settings. When you click here, you can just simply end it, and don't worry, this bar will be not visible on your records. It's only visible for you, just to quickly navigate. And now when you finish with this records, you can see this records over here, so you can quickly edit them, share, or delete.